You're ready for yacht cruise? Hmm? It was supposed to be sunrise, but now this is what we have. We have to stick to this one. Oh, okay. Ah, welcome to Kenya Coastal. Hmm. This is what we call a exclusive yacht cruise. And as you can see, we are cruising. The water is very calm. Yeah. Welcome to Kenya. How are you feeling in Kenya? Good? And you? Alright. Your first time in Kenya? How is Kenya? You wanna come back again? Oh really? Oh, that's Matum. Patrick. Yes. We're enjoying the cruise. Captino. You're good? I'm good. Yeah. It's the old town. That is the English point. Yes. That is the English point. And you can see this is the old town. Then for Jesus there. So we have started our yacht cruise. And the water is calm, slightly calm. Say something. You okay? You're scared? Are you scared? Yeah. Scared.
One that a ground, Now we are safe.
Exclusive yacht cruise. This is something which you don't need to be scared of. Something which anybody can do. And you can say, are you scared? Are you scared? Are you scared? The yacht is very stable. It's one kind of a boat which is very stable. So you don't need to worry. And you can do a yacht cruise of minimum of 1 hour. And if you want to do more hours, you can do Mombasa, Yani, Wasini, and then come back. So you don't need to worry. And we have been doing this for quite some time. So everything is awesome. This is the experience I want you guys also to miss. Sure. Take advantage of this festive season and enjoy the yacht cruise. The season drinks powered by Fox TV. Cheers, guys. We make it move. The only thing we know how to do. It's the only thing we know how to do. Play hard, work hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard. Keep partying like it's your job. Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard. Keep partying like it's your job. No, but I want your experience. I'll send you this video. This is what we call exclusive yacht cruise. You can see the bridge. That's the bridge, Nyali Bridge in Kenya. So awesome experience. See the skyscrapers there. Exclusive yacht cruise and a Dikose season trips. You can see they're really enjoying. Oh, but how is the experience so far? Huh? You have enjoyed? What's the difference with the lake and the ocean? What do you find out is the difference? The cruising. I know in Uganda you do Victoria cruise, Lake Victoria. Victoria, I don't think it is bumpy like the ocean. It is, eh? Oh, all right.
We are going the other way, like this. That way. No.
Kayaking. We are doing the yacht cruise. Kayaking. Are you not scared? Okay, and you? You want to do it again? All right. Okay. Cheers. Welcome to Kenya. Ayun. Njoo mama, ukiwa hapa uchukue. Njoo ukiwa mbele, ukiwa hapa. Ngoja. Kichukua ukiwa na robot.
Hawezi ona.
Nao wengine hapo chini. Haya. Okay. Sawa.
100 out of 100.
Huh?
100. You're getting closer.
Yes. So what did you like? What did you like? You wanted to do this again? Oh, cheers. Welcome to Kenya. All right.
Okay.